Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're ready. Make sure your AirPods Pro are paired and currently active on the device you'll control. Once audio is loaded in a music app, start playback so the earbuds register media state. Make sure the pods fit correctly and have adequate battery. A loose fit or low power can make sensor presses unreliable. Now place the stems between thumb and finger, steady pressure, not a squeeze. Proceed to the control press. A single firm press toggles play and pause. You'll rely on the force sensor along the stem to stop and play music. Press once to toggle playback. The sensor detects a distinct inward press, so make a quick, decisive motion. Press in, then release. If you press twice or 3 times, you'll skip forward or back, so stick to a single press for pause/play. Once done, practice a few times until it's natural. Make sure you're not covering microphones or squeezing the housing, as that alters the input. To finish, simply use that single press whenever you want to stop or resume music, quick and reliable. If it doesn't work, reconnect Bluetooth and verify your AirPods are selected as the audio output. Make sure the press behavior hasn't been reassigned in device Bluetooth settings. Change it back if needed. As a last resort, put the pods in their case, hold the setup button for about 15 seconds to reset, then repair. That resolves most hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.